Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Cadillac SRX key fob. Gather 2 key fobs, 1 programmed master key, and the new fob. Start with all doors closed and the ignition off, then sit in the driver's seat and lock every door manually. Keep the master fob handy to confirm programming. I will walk you through ignition cycles, button presses, and verification steps so you can finish confidently and safely. Begin by inserting the master key and turning to RUN, then back to OFF in a clear sequence. Follow with precise button presses on the new fob, holding lock and unlock until the vehicle confirms with lights or locks. Repeat the ignition cycle if the first attempt fails, and always test from outside the car to confirm range and function. I'll describe timing and common feedback so you can avoid frustration and retry correctly. If programming does not succeed, begin troubleshooting calmly and methodically. Swap in a fresh coin cell battery in the new fob to rule out power issues, and confirm you are using a fully functional master key, not a valet key. Clear any nearby electronic interference and retry the sequence exactly as instructed. If problems persist, consider dealer or locksmith assistance, and I'll outline what information they will likely need to finish the job quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.